Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change DPI settings on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! Let's simply head into the settings. And first, let's try to enter our display. In here we have a couple of things we can change to manipulate and increase or decrease our display. First, there is, of course, the screen zoom option. We can click it, and you will notice that we can lower the screen zoom, so everything will be slightly smaller, or even better, a lot smaller, as you can see. Or we can increase it, so everything will be very, and I mean very, big. We can even increase it even further with font size and style, and the ability to increase the font size and making it bold. So now everything is looking like this, and that's a pretty big display size. But of course we can take it to the other level and decrease it as small as we can. So let's unbold the text, let's make it extra tiny, and now let's make screen zoom extra tiny as well. And as you can see, this is the furthest amount you can decrease the display settings by just normal settings inside, and that's a pretty nice way for you to customizing your phone. However, what if you want to take this even further? Well, you can. Let's enter our normal settings, let's scroll all the way down, and let's go into the About phone. Now click Software Information and hit Build Number a couple of times. Now we must enter our PIN, or pattern, or password, and we want to allow development settings. Congratulations, we are now a developer. So we can now scroll down and enter newly appeared developer options. In here you can scroll down and scroll down until you will see a section called Drawing, and it's right below Input. And in Drawing, we have something called the minimum width, currently being set to 411 dp. If we lower this value to, for example, 360, you will notice that everything is now slightly bigger. We can also go further, so for example 200. And everything is even bigger, though you will notice that the minimum possible width is 320. If you would want to increase it even further, you want to probably use your own the settings I've showed you earlier. However, what doesn't have an upper limit is increasing this value. So if we would bump it up to, for example, 550, you will notice that everything will be really, and I mean really small. And technically speaking, you can even bump this up to as high as 800, but just be careful when you're playing around with this, because there is a very high chance, and I'm speaking from experience here, that accidentally you can increase it to such a big number that you won't be able to click anything, because everything will be so small you won't be able to revert the changes. So just be careful when doing that. But technically that's the end of the video. As you can see, everything is now extra tiny, maybe except the font size. I mean, everything except the icons themselves. Luckily for us, we can also change it. Oh my god, everything is really tiny now, huh? We can go into our home screen here, which I failed to click. And we can also decrease the app size as well if you want to. So now everything is as tiny as we can possibly have them. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.